Hi everyone, so today I've got another quick card for you made using the Hello Ladybug stamp set, and this time I'm going to be using this cute little ladybug and the spots that go with it, and I'm using a different colour combination than I would normally use. So I'll tell you what I've got first. I have a piece of cherry cobbler cardstock, A4 cardstock, cut straight down the middle on the short side. So in the UK, our A4 is 8 1/4 by 11 3/4. So this is now 4 1/8, and when folded becomes 5 7/8. I've got a piece of Blushing Bride cardstock, which I've cut at 3 5/8 by 5 3/8. And I have a stitched rectangle, which is from the Stitched Rectangle dies, and it's the 4th size down from the biggest, and the card's actually going to go this way, but I'm going to do some embossing on my scoreboard. So I'm going to put this in at the 6-inch mark and hopefully find my 6-inch mark here, and I'm going to score every inch. I'm not sure how this is going to look, but we're going to try it. See, I don't think I've lined it up properly, but it's as near as. So I'm going to go to 7, I'm going to go to, trying to keep this in, where's 8? I'm going to go to 8, and I don't think I'll get 9, I might just get 9 on the tip. And then this way I'm going to come to 5 and 4, and I won't make 3. Now I'm going to turn it in the opposite direction and try and do the same. So let me try and see where my 6 lines up. I think that's 6. So I'm going to score again, just at every inch. Yeah, can't get 9. Just to make my cardstock look a little bit, different than normal. Don't know if I can get 3, and this isn't easy to try and film and do this at the same time. So when I turn it over now, I'm not sure how well you can see that, but I've got a raised embossed edge, and I've just got that little mark where I skipped the track, but I think this will probably hide it. So that's the scoring. So my thinking is that my card is going to go in this orientation. This is going to layer on the front like this. I'm going to do some stamping on this. I might either offset it or put it in the middle, I'm not sure yet. And then I need a piece of white for inside, which I forgot to cut. So I'm just going to cut that now quickly. And I'm going to cut this one at 3 7/8 by 5 5/8. Just put those away. And that's hopefully going to go on the inside. So let's bring this piece in. I've got my Stampin' paste mat that I've just wrapped in copy paper, and I'll just fasten it on the back with washi tape. And I'm using that because our photopolymer stamps don't have any inbuilt cushioning. So I just want to try and line this up fairly. And I'm thinking I'm going to put 2 just kind of near the bottom. So I'm going to stamp these in Memento Tuxedo Black. Now I think my ink pad might need re-inking, so not sure how well an image I'm going to get. That doesn't look too bad. I'm going to do another one. Oh, and I've got a smudge mark there because I've got ink off my block. So I may have to try and disguise that with something. That's because I was pressing hard because I think my pad needs re-inking. So I was trying to make sure I got enough ink on the block. But if this doesn't work out, I'll re-stamp it and then I'll come back. So now I'm going to bring in my Blushing Bride ink. And I'm going to use the fill-in bit and I'm just going to stamp off. See, now I prefer the second generation of Blushing Bride. I don't like the first one. I don't think it's a pretty colour, but that's just me. So I'm going to stamp off and then I'm going to try and see if I can line this up just so that they're a paler colour. Okay. I've got my little Stampin' scrub on the side. So let's just see what we can do with this. I'm wondering if I can put some ribbon around it to hide it. What's this called? Crinkle Seam Binding Ribbon. So let's see if I can disguise it with this. Not sure if I'll be able to or not. So I've got some glue dots that I think were from an old paper pumpkin kit. So I'm just going to put a glue dot under that ribbon, which will hopefully hold it in place, and that will hide my little error with the ink pad. So let's have a look at this. So I need, this is Seal Plus, and I'm just using this because it's a stronger hold because I've done the embossing. So I'm going to position that kind of centrally. Then this, I might just, I don't know whether to pop it in the middle or to where I'll pop it in the middle, but I'll pop it up on dimensionals. So I'll just put my dimensionals over the ribbon as well, just so that it kind of holds it in place. And I've got my little dish here that I keep all my rubbish in, and then I just decant that all into the bin. So that's gonna go like so. And this Hello Ladybug was in our January to June mini catalogue. I'm not sure when this video is going to come live, but it's carried over into our new May 2022 annual catalogue. And if you go to my applelover53.co.uk website and click on the shop tab and then scroll down to Stampin' Up retired products, you'll find all the products there that are now retired from the old annual catalogue, which I am now selling on my own website. So let's just bring the stamp set in again and my piercing mat, and then this time I think I'll use the flowers. So I'll just swap this block out, being as though I've got the block already out. So I'll do that, and then I think I'll use Blushing Bride again. Ink up these flowers, stamp it off, stamp them in the corner, and then I think I'm going to put You Can Bug Me Anytime. So we'll do that. Just clean this stamp off, put the flowers there, put this one away. So let's get this the right way up. So You Can Bug Me Anytime, and I think I'll do this in Memento, and I'm going to pop this down near the bottom. Let's just stamp that and see how it looks. I think this definitely needs re-inking. And then this I'm just going to pop inside like so, and then I'll bring in my embellishments and see what we've got that we can add on here. Got some pastel pinks, they might go nice to kind of just go with the spots on the ladybug. Like so. And then one last little embellishment. I'm going to bring in some Wink of Stella and just go over the little ladybug like that. So that's today's card. So Cherry Cobbler, Blushing Bride, the little cute ladybug from the Hello Ladybug photopolymer stamp set, bit of embossing done with my scoreboard. Not sure how well you'll see it, but it is there. And then that's the inside. You can bug me anytime. So that's today's project. I hope you like it. Please give the video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. This is my job now. This is my full-time job. So, you know, to be able to keep bringing the free videos, if people keep liking them and sharing them if they can, that helps YouTube push the videos out to more people that are looking for Stampin' Up or ScanNCut. And then that just helps my channel grow, which in turn helps me. So thanks once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.